What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. As y'all can see, I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. Y'all see that? McLaren action today. Check it out.
I run a car dealership. Something's supposed to be on last night, but decided his date ran late.
Alright, I'm gonna introduce you to somebody. I actually just met him today, but this is his personal car right here. This is Skip Harmon right here. He is the owner of this McLaren 720S. By the way, Skip, what year is your McLaren?
It's a 2018.
Okay, so if I remember, they came out in 2017,
18.
right? It's the first year.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was 17. I seen them back then.
This is number 753.
Okay. But I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Hey, what got you into McLarens and what sparked your interest again in 720S?
So I was the kid that grew up with the Lamborghini posters on his wall with the Countach. Always wanted a car with the flip-up doors. When I actually got old enough to buy one, you know, the Lamborghini and Ferrari, to get those doors, you got to spend $500,000 plus.
Oh man!
The McLaren, I took a look at the performance on the car, reliability, things like that, cost of ownership, and I really like the performance. I like the design. I like the heritage, and the car's just fun as hell.
Yeah, I mean, I remember when these came out, man. They caught my attention right off the bat. Just, it's got a unique style, like compared to like a Ferrari, Lamborghini. This is unique specifically for McLaren, and then it's got similar, if not better, performance than both Lamborghini and Ferrari. That's just my personal opinion on that.
You got to spend twice as much on a Lamborghini or Ferrari to get close.
Just to even get anywhere, like you said, close. Skip, once again, man, I appreciate you giving me a ride in your McLaren 720S today. I really appreciate this, man. I feel like I'm a kid in a candy store, man. It's like a dream come true. I'm riding in a supercar. Cars that I dreamed of owning, I'm actually in right now, just one of them. And this right here, I'm just in all shock right now. Like, I can't contain myself. It's on a whole different level. Oh my God! Shit! McLaren 720S. Oh my God, this car is nuts. All right, Skip, I really appreciate you giving me a ride in your 720S today. Man, this car, I'll tell you right now, I ain't never experienced anything like that before. Not to that extent, especially it being a mid-engine supercar. But again, man, I appreciate your time today. I really do. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo.